Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Dina Anno. I've already done my face off camera just to speed up this video. So I got this eyeshadow palette. It's called a Romantic Gorgeousme palette. I actually wanted to buy the Beauty Blaze Gorgeousme palette, and so when I saw the Gorgeousme palette on an Instagram vendor's online store, I was like, let me get it. So I didn't even take my time to read that it wasn't the Gorgeousme. This one, I don't know if it's an imitation or if it's like, I don't know, but this is the palette I got, the Gorgeousme palette I got. I love how it feels. It feels really cheap. It's glittery, shiny, and very cute, very feminine. It looks like a book, and it's very portable as well. I got a similar shadow like this, the Eye Magic shadow. If you've not seen the video, if you go to one of my old videos, I'm going to try and leave the link down in the description bar to see the Eye Magic palette. So this is how it looks like, guys. It has a lot of shadows in here. You have shimmer shadows. This side you have the neutral shadows, light neutral. You have the darker neutral shadows here, like the nude shadows, and then you have more colorful shadows to play with here. Let me take this out at the center. So this is how it looks like. Let me swatch them and see. You have I think over 30 matte shadows. I didn't really count though, but this is a lot if you can count it. It's not showing up. I don't really like the pigmentations of the matte shadows because I'm not really seeing anything. Let's try this one. I'm literally pressing my hand into the... it's not really... Okay, let me try some of the colorful ones. The shimmer. Okay, the shimmer shadow is... I can actually see the shimmer shadows. Okay, let's see. Let me try one more. Okay, the shimmer shadows are actually blinding. Like, they are really reflective, very soft, and they seem pigmented from swatching them. But the matte shadows so far, I'm going to say they are not doing very well. But let's see if they will do well with, on my eyes. Shadows don't really have any names on them, so I'm just going to play with any colors that I feel like playing with today, and you guys can just sit back and watch. this is the final look. I put on very simple lashes. I didn't do anything too dramatic. I decided to pair the look with a matte lip combo. So this palette, my final thoughts on this palette. Let me show you the shades that I used. I used this dark green color here. Then I used this green here on my lid. And then on my transition area, I went with this orange and pink, a red shade. I mixed both of them together to confirm what I already suspected before from swatching the shadows. The powder shadows, the matte shadows do not show up so well. It didn't show up so well. Like pigmentation of the matte shadow, you can even notice from my outer V and the one I used on my transition area, it didn't really do so good. But the shimmer shades are really nice. Let me use, I already used one as my highlighter, but power went off and I have started sweating a bit. So let me use this one here as my highlighter, and let's see. I think I like it as a highlighter. It's very smooth. Ooh, it's very smooth. It just gives this kind of like, it's very smooth, and yeah, I think I love the shimmer shadows better. Like it's really smooth, and it's really smooth, very glittery, doesn't contain any grains at all, so it just glides on the skin really easy, and it wasn't hard at all for me to get the shimmer shadows to show. It doesn't have like this metallic kind of feel or look to it. It's just normal shimmers. The one I wanted to get, the Gorgeous Me from Beauty Glaze, I was impressed by the pigmentation. When I've seen other people use this, I'm like, definitely. I don't know if you know Tammy Clark. Tammy Clark uses a lot of this kind of low budget, or this kind of, she uses kind of drugstore eyeshadows that are super pigmented, and sometimes she compares them with their high-end equivalent, or probably the high-end product that they were trying to copy. So Tammy Clark would do that. So that was why I wanted to buy it, but this one was the one I got. Didn't really read the name, the Roman Key. So if you would ask me if you should get this palette, I would say for the shimmer shadows, yes. If you want shimmer that is very smooth and you know the pigmentation is nice, yes. But for the powder shadows, do not expect them to do anything great for you. Like, it's just good, that's all. Not great, it's just good. And probably maybe with a stronger base it would show, but this is the base that I've been using, that concealer I've been using for most of my eyeshadow looks, and I've not needed any base. So maybe you could use the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, or you can buy a stronger base like the P. Louise. Maybe it would make this show up. But well, I'm not mad at it after all. Overall, I'm not mad at it. But the matte shadows, you just have to keep on reapplying to get a good color payoff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. To get a good color payoff, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, like and share till I come your way again next time. Bye.